If you've been watching the news for the past couple weeks, or you're looking at your stock portfolio ever since Jan 1, 2022, you've probably been a little stressed. You see the markets going down, all you see is red, you're wondering what to do, you're wondering my thoughts. I'm just making this rant style video just to ease your mind, to let you know what I think and what I think you should do if you're a new investor or experienced investor, just kind of stressed about your portfolio going down thousands of dollars, maybe tens of thousands of dollars in value. I'm going to just give you my thoughts on what I'm doing, give you my thoughts on the market and why you should be okay. I think I'll title this video, Keep Calm and Invest Monthly or something. Keep calm and chive on. If we go just to the heat map of the S&P 500, a lot of red, not as bad as the past few weeks. You see some like restaurants, some green over here. If we go back, like why you would be stressed, if we go back to the S&P 500 spot, if we look at year to date, ever since Jan 1, everything is down 9%. That's a lot. That is a lot. I understand you could be stressed, but here's why you shouldn't worry. I think the market was too inflated to begin with. My thoughts, the hedge funds, if you look at the last like few weeks of December, so December 1st to 31st, everything went up 5%. I think hedge funds were pushing stocks to their all-time high so that they can record a 30% gain for the year. And I don't know, meet targets or just like report. I'm not sure what happened, but ever since Jan 1, everything started tanking, down 10%. If we just take the uninflated number, so I think December 1st would be an uninflated number, even though if you look at the charts, you might still think it's bad. But if we take a look, it would only be down 3.6% if we just start from, in my thoughts, what an uninflated number would be. But over the past year, we're still up. Past 5 years, we're still up. What am I gaining, or what's the point I'm trying to get across? If you invest for the long term, just hold, just invest monthly, try not to predict the market, you should be fine. If we take a look at some other stocks, tech got hit the hardest. If we just look at, what is this? February 10th, just in 2 days, you see this like 15 or 20% drop. I understand it's stressful. Your portfolio could be down tens of thousands of dollars. I think from Jan 1 to now, I'm down 50,000, but that's 50,000 from money I never had because it's an unrealized gain. So you shouldn't be too stressed. A lot of people think this is it. This is the one, this is the end of the world. But if we look at, if you just like watch the market for the past, no chart available. Okay. If you look at the market for the last, I could say 90 years, every 10 years or so, you get like a decrease. You get like a large, like a dot-com bubble. 1987, there was a crash. Dot-com bubble lasted a long time. The bear market of 2008, I think it lasted 13 months. In 2020, it only lasted 3 months or so, which is not a bear market at all. You see this like little dip here. So from February 14th to August, okay, so let's say 6 months it took to get back, which is not bad. But let me try to find like a longer amount of time for SPY, which is the S&P 500. So let's go 1 month. Does this work? Check this out. There's always ups and downs. So like SPY only started in 93, but you get these dips. You should just buy. Don't sell at a loss. If you sell at a loss, you're only guaranteeing yourself a loss. I'm getting a lot of questions recently, just people freaking out. I made a video saying how I bought $30,000 worth of Google stock when they announced the split. And then Google is down 10%. Everyone's like, oh, I hope you sold. I hope you sold. It's like, no, like, how did I know the Ukraine was going to, or Russia was going to war with the Ukraine? You can't predict these things, these like global events. You just have to invest when you think is right and stay invested. Everyone's like, I hope you sold. Why would I sell? Why would I guarantee myself a 10% loss? So I asked them, like, do you think Google's going away in a year, 5 years, 10 years? Do you think the stock will never come back? If we take a look at the price over, let's try to do something more reasonable. If we take a look at the price, what is this? The last 7 years? Like, it's only gone up. Will a stock go up forever? No, probably not. Do I think now is the time to get out and lose, sell all your Google shares? No, absolutely not. Google will be part of the future, of our future, and I'm still invested. I understand people, if you look at other, I don't know, do I say this? I don't want to really talk smack about other YouTubers, but a lot of people will say, hey, this guy says the stock market is crashing. We're losing everything. Look at this. Stop buying stocks. The market just got worse. Stop buying homes. The market just got worse. you have to understand this guy has 10 million more subscribers and videos than I do. I understand, but you have to understand when someone's just creating clickbait, someone's not creating real content for you. This is for him. This is all fake. This is all fake. Let's just look at this. Okay, stop buying money, stop buying homes, stop saving money. What everyone needs to, oh, look, okay, stop saving money, stop spending money. What? 1 month apart. Stock market's about to bottom. The market just peaked. Did we hit a bottom? The everything bubble. This is all BS. The stock market is about to flip. Look at this. It's just nonstop. Housing market's about to do this. Stock market will crash. I can keep going. Stock market just flipped. I thought we just saw that. Okay, stock market just flipped. And then stock market's about to flip. Where did it go? I lost it. Okay, stock market is about to flip. I know it sounds like a hater. I probably am. But the negative news, the clickbait gets more views than what I'm saying. I'm saying you'll be fine. Everything will be fine. Just keep investing. Don't try to time the market. Everyone thought the financial crash of 2008 was like the end of the world. A lot of people have sold at the bottom because they thought it would continue going. It would continue going down. They tried to time it and it came back. And they didn't buy back in because they're like, oh, it's not going to come back. It'll go down. It'll go down. And then it didn't. With SPY, a lot of people tried to time, when they saw it come back to pre-COVID levels, they tried to short the market and then it just kept going up and up, even though they didn't realize that companies were hitting all-time highs. The mom and pop companies were failing, which is sad. But then you see like Amazon was guaranteed to go up because everyone stopped going to stores. Everyone started ordering on Amazon. I can't talk. This is why I need scripted videos because I can't talk. I can't rant off the top of my head. But I'm still invested. I'm going to continue to invest because I trade options. I can make money monthly from shares that I own. I can sell covered calls. If I have puts, I can roll those puts down. I wouldn't be too worried. A lot of people are stressed. Here's the thing. If you liked a company at a certain price and it went down and you still believe in that company, you thought it would go up. So this new lower price should excite you even more. Let's take a look at, what do I do? Let's do TD Bank, TD.TO stock. Let's look at TD Bank over the last 6 months, up 26%. Did TD Bank go down? TD Bank didn't even go down. When you're investing in a bull market, the tech stocks, these hype stocks will obviously increase more than these safe dividend paying bank financials. But in a recession or a bear market, the defensive stocks, like the slow moving, low paying, high income ones, these ones will be safe. If we take a look at year to date, it's up 7%, whereas the market is down 9% because it's heavily weighted in tech. What else is there? If we do like Enbridge stock, this is another defensive stock. We look at year to date, up 5%. We look at the past, let's say 5 days. If it's down, if you were stressed that you bought at 43 and now it's down to 41, you should like this price even more. You think it should come back. I kind of want to make how do I explain this? If something goes down 9% and you're holding the shares thinking it would come back, it would need to make such a big jump. So it went down 9%, but to get back, it would need to go up a little more. But if you buy at the bottom, so let's say starting, you bought at 477 one share, and then it went down to 434. For it to come back, you'd need to wait until it made like 10%. But if you bought right now at 434 and you average to 455, your investment would only need to go up 5% for you to break even or be back at neutral or not losing any money. So the share you bought at 477 will still lose, but the shares you bought at 431 or 434 will be making, offsetting your loss. That's why people always say to like dollar cost average or average down. Yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say for this video. Again, I'm not good without a script, just talking off the top of my head. If you're interested in joining the Discord server, a lot of people, I had like 150 people ask for the Discord server and then like 15 people joined. So I have 15 people so far. If you want, how do I find it? Patreon. Patreon, Canadian Finance Pro. I hope it'll load. There we go. So something's wrong with the Discord where it shows only 8, but we have 15 people in there. There should be 17. 2 people are struggling to get access to it. I'm still trying to figure out how to get them in. But if you'd like to join, it's $12.50 a month. If people say that's too expensive, I can lower it to $10 a month. But if you want to chat with other option traders or people trading in Canadian finance, let me know. Please join the Discord where you have more access. I'll be able to answer the questions more on time. Like, I haven't been able to answer all the YouTube questions. I'm 250 comments behind. I just get too many comments on YouTube. So that's why I started the Discord, giving the Discord folks a little more priority. So yeah, that's it for today. It's a holiday. I don't even know, Canada Day. No, it's a family day. It's like a fake holiday, but I'll take it. Thanks for watching. Keep calm, keep investing. Thanks, guys.